It is barbecue time. Nice. I'm going to barbecue some skinless, boneless chicken thighs. It'll be for our lunches next week. Joey's going to make some white rice to put with it. And some broccoli. And in the beginning of this video, it shows Mr. Yoshida's teriyaki sauce. That stuff is great. But that will go on after we get it bowled up or plated up. And get it packed for our lunches. Then we put the sauce on. So that won't be part of this video. Anyways, it is almost springtime. It's going to be 77 today, roughly. Getting kind of warm out here. But I got some cold brewskis. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, I'm just going with basic sea salt and black pepper. Because during the lunches, Mr. Yoshida doesn't have a lot of flavor, so I don't want to overdo it. So now I'm just waiting for this. That's all I ever do when I'm barbecuing. I have to wait. What's up with that? Don't mind if I do. Perfect day for a nice cold beer. Beer and barbecue. What more could you ask for? Hurry up. Someone's balloon got away. Oh no, it's out of control. I bet you there's some kid crying right now. Ha, you lost your balloon. Well, see you later. Okay, it's almost time to put them on. I don't know why I'm getting so excited. I'm not eating these today. It's for lunches for next week, even though it's Saturday. Oh, this would be difficult to stay out of it. I gotta have control over this. Or will I? Alright, I'm going to try to do this again like the other videos. Do it one-handed. Anyways. I still have to get a good sear in the chicken. The boneless kind. I know some of you suggested that I indirect them first. But I've done these multiple times for lunches and it turns out great. Alright. Let those get a decent sear for a moment. It won't take long with chicken. I'll be back. I guess it's not really a sear, just a quick singe. Fire! Bump, bump, bump. This kind of reminds me of years ago when Joy and I were at Lake Kachuma. Went to the little store they had. They didn't have much, but they had chicken legs, salt, pepper, and we put beer over it. Real simple, but when you're camping, that was delicious. That was a fun time. Man, it's starting to cloud up, which is cool. I like humidity, but still is cool. Nice. Okay, getting there little by little. I'll be back. Okay, those are the last two pieces. Once those are done, I'm going to put the lid on and let them go indirect for a while. Alright, I'm going to put the lid on it. And every once in a while I'll turn them around. It's taking too long. But let them get a good rotation. And I'll be back. Okay, got me a couple more cold ones. Since I have two, you would think I'd be drinking Dos Equis. Okay, Joy and I both checked these out. I'm gonna pull them off here in a couple of few minutes. Okay, time to pull them off. Man, those look good. I'm gonna eat them all right now. Just kidding. Okay, that's gonna be part of my lunches. Not just mine, but Joy's lunches for next week. Like I said, she's gonna make white rice, broccoli, and use Mr. Yoshida's teriyaki sauce. Man, I can't wait to go to work. Is it lunchtime on Monday yet? Okay, another barbecue video done. Anyway, a lot of you who know my channel know that I don't just upload anything in particular. It's pretty much sporadic or random. I never know when I upload next. I don't really think about what I'm going to do. But barbecuing is one of my favorite ways to upload. But it could be a variety of things. You just never know. Just like my playlist. One minute I'll have Megadeth, and the next playlist I'll add something from Adele. You just never know. Just a wide variety here. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Take care and rock on. Cheers. Rock on. Hi, I'm Fred. I just want to show everyone, my wife got me this brand new 22.5-inch lever, and here's my old one, which made me a lot of good food, but I neglected it sometimes, left it out in the rain, maybe this and that. But my wife is so awesome, she bought me this, and I'm going to have a lot of good cooks on both of them still. This one's still good for certain things, and this one will be good for other things. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you all. Thanks.